Sarema, and this is Bear. He's a 4-year-old Yorkshire Terrier and weighs all of 6 pounds. He likes to do ordinary stuff like most dogs do. You know, take walks, go to the beach, gets bath every now and then he has to be brushed. But you know, sometimes he just likes to get out and play hard. That's when we go skydiving. Fun, yay! Good boy. Okay, hold on a second. I know you want to go. Thank you. Hold on. There you go. Good boy. Back on the ground again. I squiggled a little bit at first, and then he settled down and had a great time. His arms were up and he's having fun. I could hear his little doggy voice going, wee. He'll be bugging me to go again and again.